Good morning everyone. Today topic vocal or local.
India is a land of diverse culture, traditions and craftsmanship. Each region of our country has its own unique art form, handlooms, handicraft, and local products that reflect our rich heritage. The idea of vocal for local, launched by Honorable Prime Minister, encouraged us to support and promote these indigenous products instead of relying mostly on imported goods. By being vocal for local, we not only empower our local artisans and craftsmen, but also can contribute to Atmanirbhar Bharat, a self-reliant India. Objective of the project: number one, to understand the importance of promoting local products and craft. Number two, to identify various local products and traditional art forms in our regions. Local craft and product of our region. Example: customized for your state or region. Rajasthan, famous local product and craft. Blue pottery of Jaipur. Block printing of Baju and Savannah. Bandhani and Lersia textile. Mozari footwear. Rajasthani jewelry and miniature painting. These crafts are not just beautiful, but are symbols of the creativity and skills passed down through generations. Importance of promoting local products. Number one, economic growth. Supporting local artisans help boost the regional economy. Number two, employment generation. It provides livelihood opportunities for craftsmen and small-scale producers.
The ways of promote vocal for local. Step number one, to buy local products and recommended to our friends or friends. Step number two, make social media to promote small business and artisans. Number three, participate in local fairs, fairs and exhibitions, surveys or field study optional section. You can add a small survey to originate survey or field study optional survey. You can add a small survey to make your project more original. For example, the question is how many people buy local products in your neighborhood. If then the answer may be, the result may be 6% make good house and 40%, 60%.
Including slogan like
Be India, buy India, local is the new global, support local brands, build national brands.
Thank you.